Hello guys, welcome to Chris Digitals. My name is Chris. Today I want to show you guys what I created, a September schedule, a September calendar 2020. You can find this calendar and download it for free in the description section, and it will take you straight to my website and you can download that for free. It is a very unique calendar. As you can see, the color is just a nice deep bright purple, and has the dark theme here, and also I have the white theme. You can download both of them for free. They come in a zip file, so once you download that zip file you will gain access to both of them. Okay, just unzip the file and you will see them on a PDF file. Okay, so both of them come in PDF file and one zip file. So if you are interested in this, you can go to my website. The link to my website that will take you directly actually to the page on my website where you can download this is in the description below. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Subscribing to YouTube is free, so please help grow this channel for me. And I want to thank all of you out there who have been supporting me, to grow my channel, and who keep coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so like I said, this is free to go on my website and download it, and you can start using it to plan, using it to do your September planning. And you can also, if you have any question, you can leave the questions in the comments below. If you have anything to say, hopefully positively, you can also leave a comment down below. If you are interested in joining my Facebook group, the description is down there. Also, you can click there to join. And if you're interested in things like this, please don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be uploading videos in September like this. And hit the bell notification so you will not miss anytime I upload new videos on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. This is just a short video, so go ahead and start downloading this for free. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.